Let's push all the buttons and all the boundaries, shall we? This is me on SketchUp, just pushing all the buttons and not knowing what the hell I'm doing and just learning from doing that though. Here in this shot, I have made the ground transparent so I can, there's the pathway, and you can see inside this rather odd building. I made this wall transparent glass, you see, so we can see inside there. Here, look, there's the floor. Okay. Here, let's zoom out, little patio over there.